Hi there. Today I want to talk about the under kitchen cabinet lights. This is how they look like. So what happened? They tried to replace the light bulb like this, and then one of the pin broke and got stuck inside. So what I'm gonna do? So I'm gonna unscrew that and try to try to remove that pin from there, and then after that I can install. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unscrew that light from there, because otherwise you can just work like that. So I'm gonna unscrew and try to remove the pin, and then we'll see what happens. So I'll continue after I unscrew it, because it might take longer. So what I did, I took this apart, because otherwise it's hard, because this is what it's stuck. The broken pin stuck on one on the right side. So what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna remove this socket from here, and then try to push it from the other side, because otherwise there's no way to remove that broken piece inside. So that's the only way. That's what I'm gonna try to do it now. Just so I think that's the best option right now, what we have. Yeah. Yeah. So what I can do, so if I push it from this side, I have this, little tool here. So finally I was able to push this pin back from the back of it. So yeah, this is the broken pin right here. So I'm gonna install the new light bulb, and then turn it on, see if it's working. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So there's a plug inside the cabinet, so I unplugged it in case not to get electrical shooting. Okay, now let's try and see. Yeah, it's all done, it's working, it's all good. That's it. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and I would love to post more videos like this.